Hi, my name is Zoe. Welcome to Snacks from the Stacks. I'm a third-year library grad student who works in special collections, and I'm very excited today to make for you a recipe called ginger cake from the Jane E. Hassler cookbook from 1857. This recipe doesn't have a lot of instructions, so I'm going to be making a lot of stuff up. 1 pint of sour cream churned in a glass jar, 1 pound of almonds blanched then made very fine, 2 eggs beaten separately, 4 tablespoons full of vanilla. Put it between your layers of cake and set away for use. Ginger cakes, good tried. Dayton O. 1 pint of Orleans molasses, 2 eggs, 1 cup of butter or lard, and using lard, put a little salt in it. 1/2 cup of sour milk. Sour milk? 1 tablespoonful heaped of soda. Put it all into a dish and mix with your hands or spoon with flour. Enough to roll, spice to your taste, cut in round cakes. I have no idea how this is going to turn out, so I think I'm going to cut the recipe in half. I was wondering about the use of sour milk in this recipe and why you would use sour milk, and it turns out that you can in fact use milk that's gone bad in baking, and it acts as a sort of buttermilk, which makes your recipe a lot fluffier. The online resources call for lemon juice mixed with some milk product. Unfortunately, the only milk product that I have is chocolate milk at the moment, and lemon juice and chocolate milk just sounds disgusting. So instead, I'm going to use a little bit of lemon juice mixed with some tart frozen yogurt that I have, because that's where we're at. Well, luckily, brown sugar is a really solid substitute for molasses, so I guess we're gonna go with that. I still don't have any dairy, so we're going to use the tart froyo again, this time for the sour cream that we're supposed to churn in a glass jar. I have almonds made very fine, 1 egg, and some lovely homemade vanilla. I have absolutely no idea what the consistency of this weird mixture is supposed to be. I'm just hoping that it turns into sort of a frosting, since the sour cream is supposed to be churned like butter. So this looks unappealing and not like frosting. All right, here we go. So it turns out they did turn out more like a muffin than a cookie. So I think the amount of flour was okay. They're a little dry, but the taste isn't bad. I did put a lot of ginger in, so that helps. And here goes nothing. Raw egg. Oh yeah. Nope. No. Oh my god. That's disgusting. So the verdict, I think, is less flour than I put in, and then they'll be a little bit less dry, hopefully. Go heavy on the ginger because it's amazing, and it pairs well with the molasses. even if you only had a little bit of molasses. And don't try and make whatever that frosting situation was like I did. Well, thanks for joining me with Snacks from the Stacks.